Did you know that SuperMi almost didn't exist? It's August 6th, 1945, Hiroshima, Japan. An Indonesian student named Syarif Adil Sagala looks out his window when he spots a shiny plane in the sky. And then a massive explosion, blinding light, and a shockwave. Everything changes in an instant. The American plane just dropped the world's first atomic bomb. The explosion flattens the entire city and fires rage. The rubble traps Sagala and he's struggling to breathe. He should have died that day, but somehow he doesn't. Fast forward, it's now 1968, and that same man, a Hiroshima atomic bomb survivor, is now an entrepreneur. And he creates Indonesia's very first instant noodle, and he calls it SuperMi. Sagala teams up with a Japanese food company called Sankyu Sukohin to bring something new to Indonesia. A meal that's fast, convenient, and delicious. And Indonesians love it. SuperMi takes off and becomes Indonesia's go-to instant noodle. And nothing even comes close until 1972 when Indomie was created to compete with SuperMi. And that becomes a game changer. But here's a thought. If Sagala hadn't survived Hiroshima and then created SuperMi, would Indomie even exist? SuperMi proves something crucial. Indonesians love instant noodles. Without that, Indomie may never become a household name. As competition heats up, Sagala sells SuperMi in 1977 to a local company. But the instant noodle battle isn't over. By 1986, SuperMi's arch rival, Indomie, buys the brand and brings it into the Indo food family.